Defer. A defer function is a function that we can schedule to be executed after a function has finished executing. The defer function will always be executed even if an error occurs in the function being executed. In this scenario, we are delving into the concept of defer in the Go programming language. First, we create a function called logging with the content print done call function. Next, we define another function named run application, where we invoke the logging function using defer at the beginning. Following that, we print run application. When we execute the run application function within the main function, the results demonstrate that the initial execution is the run application function rather than the logging function. This illustrates that the defer keyword in Go is used to delay the execution of a function until the surrounding function, in this case, run application, completes its execution. Panic. The panic function is a function that we can use to stop the program. The panic function is usually called when a panic occurs while our program is running. When the panic function is called, the program will stop, but the defer function will still be executed. In this example, we explore the behavior of panic in the Go programming language. We begin by printing the string start. Subsequently, we introduce a panic with an error string. Following that, we add a print statement for end. When we execute the program, the process unfolds in a way that, upon encountering the panic execution, an immediate error is triggered, preventing the subsequent print statement for end from being executed. The use of panic in Go is reserved for exceptional or unrecoverable situations. When panic is called, it halts the normal execution flow and starts unwinding the stack, executing any deferred functions along the way. Recover. Recover is a function that we can use to capture panic data. With recover, the panic process will stop, so the program will continue to run. In the created example, a function named triggerPanic is defined. Inside this function, there is a deferred function call that invokes the recover function. The primary purpose of this deferred function is to capture any panic strings that might occur during the execution of the surrounding code. In Go, the recover function is used in conjunction with deferred functions to handle panics gracefully. When a panic occurs, the normal flow of the program is disrupted, but deferred functions are still executed, and the recover function allows us to catch and handle the panic. In the context of the provided example, the triggerPanic function sets up a mechanism to recover from panics and capture the associated panic string.